Best Health Insurance Advice Platforms app. The pros, the cons. The Best Health Insurance Advice Platforms app is designed to guide users through the often confusing world of health coverage. Most people get this wrong by relying solely on generic online searches, but here's the surprising truth. Personalised guidance can save you hundreds, even thousands on premiums and out-of-pocket costs. A major pro of this app is its tailored recommendations. By entering details like age, health conditions, and preferred doctors, the app generates a list of plans that best fit your needs. For example, someone managing diabetes can be matched with plans that cover essential medications and specialist visits, avoiding unexpected gaps in coverage. You won't believe how often people overlook these crucial details when choosing a plan. Another advantage is easy comparison. The app allows users to view deductibles, co-pays, and premium costs side by side, making it simple to understand trade-offs. Many platforms also provide cost simulations, showing how different coverage options might impact your annual healthcare spending. This transparency helps you make informed decisions rather than guessing which plan is cheaper. The cons include potential limitations in plan availability. Some apps only include a subset of insurance providers, so you may need to cross-check other sources. Additionally, while the app gives guidance, it cannot replace human advice for complex situations, such as multi-state coverage or unique medical needs. In conclusion, the Best Health Insurance Advice Platforms app is a powerful tool for anyone navigating the health insurance landscape. By combining personalized recommendations, clear comparisons, and cost simulations, it empowers users to select plans that truly meet their medical and financial needs. While it isn't a replacement for professional consultation in every case, it significantly reduces confusion and helps ensure you get the coverage you deserve.